Hello students, today I am going to teach the lesson 3, the American Civil War. First, the introduction. A war which is fought between the citizens of the same country is called a civil war. The Civil War was America's bloodiest and most divisive conflict, pitting the Union Army against the Confederate States of America. The war resulted in the deaths of more than 6,20,000 people, with millions more injured and the South left in ruins. Causes of the American Civil War. There are many reasons that led to the American Civil War. Some of them are as follows. Conflicting economic interests. The United States achieved great progress after independence. The two parts, the southern and the northern, followed different paths of development. The states in the north had large manufacturing units and industries. They developed townships, cities, communication network, and transportation. The southern states developed agriculture. They had large scale farming of cash crops like cotton, tobacco, and sugarcane. The increased production of these crops required more labor. The available source of cheap laborers were slaves. They were brought from Africa and were forced to work in the fields. The northern states tried to develop transport and communication facilities. These were required to support their industrial growth. However, the southern states opposed it as it affected the fertility of the soil. Now, the second cause of the American Civil War was the issue of tariff. Tariff means tax. The northern and southern states also clashed over the issue of tariff. The industries of northern states were flourishing. They wanted to protect them from competition from foreign industries. Therefore, they favored high tariff on foreign goods. The high tariff made foreign goods more expensive, but the southern states pitched for lower tariffs. They imported many goods from foreign countries. Any rise in tariff made their imports costlier. The protective tariffs were raised on many occasions. The southern states felt that the northern states wanted to grow at their cost. This caused agitation among the southern states. Third was the states' rights. The southern states favored the right of individual states. They said that the decision to continue or secede from the Union should be with the states. However, the northern states favored the Union as one nation. They stated no one has the right to quit the Union. The fourth cause was the issue of slavery. The northern states abolished slavery because they required free labor for factories. However, slavery continued and flourished in the South. The large farms of the South were profitable due to availability of cheap slaves. The slaves were treated inhumanly and like personal properties. They could be auctioned, bought, and sold. They were forced to live in unhygienic conditions. The northern states were inspired by liberal ideas and regarded slavery as a social evil. Thus, they wanted to abolish slavery. An anti slavery movement began in the northern states, the southern states took it as a threat. In the next video, I will explain the other three causes of the American Civil War. So, thank you for today.